Ongoing floor renovation by Inkstone Infra. Look at the old floor tiles in this 2 BHK apartment. The entire floor of the house will be renovated. Let's understand the renovation process. The renovation process starts with the removal of old tiles. The surface is prepared for tiles laying. The tiles are laid with precision. Now take a look at the renovated floor. For more videos on home renovation, bathroom renovation, and interior design, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you for watching.